Gonna be like a chocolate brown.
It's pink on the inside.
Hi.
Hi. Been waiting a while.
Sorry about the wait. I had to make my revived superfood smoothie. Delicious. Hi, I'm Pat.
I'm Pat.
Hi, I'm Pat.
I'm
Ashley.
I'm
Ashley. And welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
On this video, I'm so excited because I got one of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes.
Woo!
So on this video, we're gonna unbox the premium Jeffree Star Summer 2021 mystery box, and we'll see what came inside. Keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Okay, let's jump right into unboxing. Alright, I found a old rusty X-Acto knife.
Careful with that.
And we're gonna slice this open. Okay.
It's pink on the inside.
We'll see.
Ooh. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is a Jeffree Star Cosmetic Pressed Pigment Individual Eyeshadow, which is in the color Snack. It's an individual pressed pigment.
Ooh, color. Snack.
It's a snack.
A whole snack? Or half a
It is. It's like a pinky peach color.
snack? Let's just swatch it. See.
We'll swatch everything after we take it all out of the box.
All right. Here, I'll pass you things.
No, I want to pull it out.
That's what he said.
Okay, so this is. So my guess is that that is an empty palette that you put these magnetic little individual pigments in.
We will find out.
So you can make your own custom palette.
That is correct, sir. You
Okay.
are correct.
Perfect, so this is an empty nothing. Perfect, so this is an empty nothing. Oh, well, I see some more in here.
Woo-woo.
Okay, so
Other colors. we
I
have.
see another one called. And another
French.
one
Oh.
called Raspberry, which is very raspberry. Okay, so these are the 3 individual pressed pigments. The next thing I've got coming out of here is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lip Scrub in the flavor Rainbow Sherbet. Ooh, that'll be delicious. Because the timer wasn't going, so we weren't recording.
Any of that?
I don't think so. Okay, so we got the Velour Liquid Lip Scrub, which Ashley is testing out on her lips. I have never tried this before. I'm really excited to have gotten a... Why do I keep calling it... Oh, it is Velour Lip Scrub.
Yeah.
He just also has the Velour Liquid Lips, so I guess I just am talking too fast. Anyways, lip scrub.
And it tastes delicious.
Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out of here is called The Gloss.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, look at that packaging.
Ooh, very glossy.
The Gloss. It says 2 finishes: glitter fantasy and extreme shine. Juicy, delicious. Iconic on its own or over any lipstick.
Wow.
And it's in the color Paid in Full. Ooh, even the inside of the box has a pattern on it. Ooh, and it's got
that's
that
nice.
cool topper thing.
I like that.
It smells like vanilla cupcakes or something delicious.
Oh, wow.
Like so yummy.
No, don't like it.
Don't like it. Alright, so there's a couple more things in here. This at the top is what? Oh, it is a tinted lip balm. And it's called Cowboy Kiss. So it appears to be maybe a brown color. Maybe it'll be my new contour. Okay, so it's like the bullet lipstick, but it's a lip balm. This is a lip balm. This is kind of big for a lip balm. Don't you think you can put that in your purse?
Well, let's just open it and see. Oh, it's really brown.
Oh, it's really brown. Brown.
Brown.
Brown.
Brown.
How is that a lip balm?
Sure, put it on. Put it on my arm. Oh, okay. Well, that's really brown. You definitely
So on the back of my hand, you can see it is, yeah, it is like a
brownie.
brown. It smells like chocolate though.
Yeah.
Okay, so that makes
Cover
up
my
for
lips
everything.
on.
Put it like right on.
No. It's brown.
Someone's at my door.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know, and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, and I'm back. So I have a few comments about this lip balm. It is gross. Also, make sure you twist it down before you put the lid on because I totally wrecked it. Oops. Alright, so it doesn't have a taste, but it smells like chocolate, which is nice. But I cannot imagine any time in my life how I would possibly use this as a lip product. Like it says it goes great over other
I just don't know
things.
what color you would put it over.
I'm not sure what color you would put that over. Like maybe would you use it over a nude and then it would make your nude like really brown?
No, I wouldn't want brown lip.
Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe this is like an exclusive color that's never going to be
For fall.
released because it didn't really cut it. What's it called? Cowboy Kiss.
Maybe on a farm.
I don't know. This one's just not it for me.
Nor I. What else does he need to buy?
Okay, so the next thing in here
It's the last
obviously is going to be, it is the last thing. And there's no, usually it comes with like a card with like a picture of Jeffree Star, like a little like
Maybe it's in here.
photo thing. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so let's open this up. This is going to be a palette. I can tell by the packaging. Oh yeah, it's the Star Ranch palette.
Oh, so we've got a theme going on.
It's pretty in pink. Oh, this box is like a, feel it.
Ooh.
What is that, soft touch?
So weighed, like almost. It feels almost like suede.
Like it feels expensive, whatever this
It does.
is.
It does feel. It feels
This
like-
feels really nice.
Ooh, I like it.
Oops. Well,
Beating me up with balls.
Star Ranch. Hey, that's a cool cover. Like the star on the top of the ranch thing.
Yeah.
That's what I would have at my ranch. Well, I would never ranch. But look at the pink horses. There's a pink horse and a pink buffalo. The buffalo is my favorite.
It's a buffalo.
It's a buffalo. Alright, so here is the color story reveal. Dun dun dun.
Ooh, I like those colors a lot.
Oh, okay,
Those
so
are
it comes with
fun.
protective plastic, which is great. Look at the little mirror. The mirror has such a cute design around it.
Try these.
And then here's the colors. So we've got Yak Farm, Owl Eyes, Open Range, Casper Mountain, Wyoming is the brown in the middle, Star Creek, Old Jeff, Grand Prismatic, and Winter Wind. Just a second, hang on, hold that for me, please. So it's the blue for me. Okay, so in the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mini controversy palette with Shane Dawson, there is the Simulation and Cancelled, and boy, those are looking similar.
They really are. To Grand Prismatic and Winter Wind.
Yeah, so I knew that looked a little familiar. Look at these color stories. Like, how similar are they? At least this one has some purple in it. Okay, I want to swatch the blues here. So, Cancelled looks like that. And then Grand Prismatic looks like that.
Okay, so they are a little bit different.
Yep, Grand Prismatic is a little bit lighter.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the Simulation followed by Winter Wind. I can tell Winter Wind is going to be darker. Ew, what a beautiful dark blue. Oh. Yeah, that's...
Okay, so that looks
That
like
is
a whole
pretty.
look right there.
But
Both
are
of them.
any of those... Ooh, Casper. There's 4 blue eyeshadows in this? Okay. Then from this one, there's also Flat Earth, which is a really light blue. I'm just going to add that in because I think we have a lot of blue eyeshadows now. Oh yeah, it was Casper Mountain I wanted. This is a really pretty shimmery blue color. Okay, so there's all of those blues. Like, but do you need any more blue eyeshadow? Like, I have 5 blue eyeshadows in the James Charles palette. And now I have 6 Jeffree Star blue eyeshadows. Like, that's a lot of blue eyeshadows.
Blue's nice. I like blue.
Anyways, let's test out some of the other colors here. There's Yak Farm. Never met a yak I didn't like. That is just like a brown transition shade. I feel like there's probably a few of those kicking around. Owl Eyes is like a nice gold color. Ooh, I want that on my face.
Ooh, that's pretty.
I really like that one. I'm gonna do Open Range beside it. So that's a nice, like, dark metallic brown. Oh, Star Creek.
And you can do Wyoming. Or Old Jeff.
Okay, Wyoming's last, I guess. It's just gonna be like a chocolate brown color. Okay, so the browns and the golds and the green, they sort of like make a nice color story over here. And then like to add in all these blues though, I don't know. Do you think this is the palette that you would like reach for? Browns and blue?
Yes. Yes.
Really? Okay. I just feel like it's a lot of blue and not a lot of fun. Like I much more prefer the Jawbreaker Mini with like all of these fun ones. And we could swatch the individuals it came to. Snack. Well, it came across like way peachier than I thought it was gonna be. The next one is FCU. And then you said you liked this one, Raspberry. You said it should be called Really Raspberry?
Yes. Because it's really red.
It's got really a lot of fallout.
Really pigmented.
Wow. Love that color.
Right? Love raspberry.
But look at the fallout on that. That's weird. That's all the different things that came in the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Premium Mystery Box. And that's quite a lot. How many items was that? So I wonder if this counts as one thing. Probably. So that's 1 plus 3 is 4. 5. Brown lip balm. I shouldn't count. 6. And that's 7.
And then this guy.
Lip gloss is 8. So that was 8 items. Alright, well that was everything that came in the box. Thanks for watching the unboxing and swatching of the different... Like, how many of these things are gonna fall on the ground? Let's just push everything off the table. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon. So you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description down below. Don't forget to check out the description down below for affiliate links like my Amazon shop. And I'll see you for another video next time. Bye.
Bye.
So I guess I somehow forgot to swatch Old Jeff. And so that's over here on my arm.
I may or may not have told you that.
I know, but there's so many blue eyeshadows, it's hard to keep track of them all. Summer 2021 mystery box and see what got inside. Because the timer wasn't going, so we weren't recording.
Any of that?
I don't think so. Never met a yak I didn't like. Peely peely. Brown. I just feel like it's a lot of blue. Chocolate, brown.